floating out here rocking in my rocking chair, we hear an awful noise, rattle, rattle, rattle. So it's something to do with air conditioning. So we're going to have to check it out and fix it. Come along for the ride and see what we're going to do.
Okay, so like Sharon said, we've got an issue with an air conditioner. It looks like it's the number 2 air conditioner, the main air conditioner. We've got 3 on this rig.
Yeah.
That's making a lot of racket. I don't know why we haven't noticed it before. Maybe because we've usually been inside when it comes on. We just had to be sitting outside when it came on this time. So we're going to go up and take a look and see what's going on.
Yeah. Okay, here's my man. He's going to climb the ladder and get on the roof because we got a noisy air conditioner. How's the weather up there?
Hot.
Hot. Yeah.
Okay, so we're up here. That's the air conditioner that is in question here, and you might be able to just hear a couple of clicks coming out of it. There it is. So I'm going to back up, and you can see that, or more here, that something is interfering down in there with the fan. So we're going to take the cowling off and see if we can figure out what it is. Had Sharon turn off the AC, so we're just letting it cycle through so that it actually shuts the fan down, and then we can more closely examine exactly what's going on. But you can see that there was some interference between the fan and the cowling, and when I looked at it very closely, we could see that the fan is not actually centered in the cowling hole that surrounds the coils. So it's up towards the top of it and interferes with the fan. So that's what we're trying to fix. Beautiful day. We're here at Iron Mountain, which is a Christian Motorcyclist Association headquarters campground, where we've been since March. But we're supposed to be working on an air conditioner, so I guess we better get back to it. This is the contact point right in here. Now it's not doing it right now, but you can see right there on top of that fan blade where it's wearing, and it's contacting just right up through in here. This is the area. Now then, the rig is under warranty, so could I call a Mobile Tech or the dealer? Grand Design would pay for it. I know they would. But we're in rural Arkansas, so finding a Mobile Tech is going to be only a little bit easier than trying to find a dealer. If I can fix this, it'll be a lot simpler on me. And so we'll just see if we can't take care of it. It's going to take a little modification, so we'll see what we can do. All right, we got a couple of ideas for a solution, and one of them will involve a washer, or maybe 2, so I'll grab a couple of washers. And the other solution involves cutting a small piece of tin out of the way. We would rather use washers to fix this problem rather than cut it. But if the washers don't work, then I need to make a small half-inch cut in a piece of tin so I can bend it.
Yeah, we can
and the back, there's our hummingbird.
Store and
did you catch the hummingbird just buzzing?
Oh, did he?
Yeah, he just goes. We have a hummingbird that comes through here.
Yeah, he's so fast.
And the one that's usually buzzing me is the female, and I think what she's doing is expressing her displeasure that I'm this close to her feeder right there.
Yeah, like get out of the way.
Yeah, go away. Get out of my way here. Okay, so we have now got our washers in. Got 3 washers underneath it that's lifting up the cowling, and 1 washer on top that's just spacing the screw. So that's going to prevent the screw from going all the way through the chassis and into the roof. The roof back here. So we think that's going to work. So let's see here. We'll test it now. I'm going to get up and walk back around over here. Now when I stepped back here before, it made a lot of racket. Look at that. Nothing. I think we're going to declare this well and truly fixed.
We have success.
Yeah, we got it fixed.
Yay!
So I'm just got to put the cowling back on. Assuming
Yeah.
I can find all the screws.
Okay. All right, come on down. Long ways up there. Hot. I don't know.
Yeah, so we can turn the air conditioner on now. It's not going to be a problem.
Yay!
So we're all set. Okay, so we've got the air conditioner fixed, and this is not the first time that I've worked on an air conditioner. In our last rig,
Yeah, reflection.
our Reflection at 297
It rattled.
RSTS, when we got it, the forward air conditioner had a bad rattle to it. And so in that case, we bought the rig used, so we didn't have a warranty. I
Yeah.
got up there and took the cover off and said, well, I can't hurt it. So I got to looking to see what the problem was and discovered it was actually the compressor was sitting very close to a bolt that was holding the chassis to, holding the compressor to the chassis of the air conditioner.
Yeah, vibrating.
And it was just vibrating. So the solution was to get a rubber washer
Yep.
and literally some rubber cement and
Yeah,
glue the
put it
thing
in.
in place. It's fixed, no problem.
Yeah.
So here we've got another problem where it's an interference where the fan blade, the plastic fan blade, was making contact with the tin cowling.
Yep.
And
It's noisy.
so we figured out a way to fix it by just adding some washers to one of the mounting screws for the cowling and lifting it up just enough so that it clears that fan blade.
And
So-
it's quiet.
And now it's quiet. So here's the thing. RVs are man-made. They're not, in total, I guess we could say that they're complicated systems. But individual items are not all that complicated once you understand what the problem is. The key is always figuring out what the problem is.
Yeah.
And I'm sure sometimes there's going to be things that you're going to want to have a qualified technician address. Other times it's stuff that you can do.
Yeah, and it's nice when you can do it.
Yeah, it's a lot easier
You know,
trying to
it's
drag
okay.
the rig into a dealer or
Yeah, the
finding
schedules
or,
usually
or
the
getting on
problem.
a schedule
Yeah,
or getting
it might be 2 months out or something, and we're passing through.
yeah.
Yeah.
A mobile tech, getting a mobile tech out and even Grand Design certainly pay for it.
Yeah.
I'll tell you, in the last couple of weeks, I've had a couple of different items come up that I called them about, and in both cases, actually 3 of them,
Yeah.
3 cases, listen, we'll schedule a mobile tech to come out.
Yeah, they're so nice.
They're right up there, right up front. You're not having to beg them, ask them. I mean, it was their idea. We'll get a mobile tech
And
out
they were
there
to
to
send
fix
us a
it.
part one time. We figured out it wasn't the part. Remember on? Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
So in all 3 cases, once I understood what the problem was, it's just a lot easier for me to fix it.
Yeah. He's a good fixer.
Sure. So anyway, what we're saying is that don't be afraid of trying to fix this stuff yourself.
Yeah.
Take a look at it, understand what the problem is, and then chances are you're going to be able to take care of it without having to go through all the pain and agony.
Sometimes it's simple little things. So
Now, if there was a mobile tech sitting right next door to me over here, and
they come up. Then we'd have them.
sure, I'd say, hey, go take a look at
Yeah.
it. But yeah, there we are. If you enjoyed this video, thumbs
All
up,
right.
subscription.
Thanks.
We'll talk to you later. See ya.
Thanks for watching.
It's okay. Hey,
We'll
not
find
too
out.
bad for an old man, huh?
Ah, we're not old. We're still youngsters. We're not 80.
Yeah. And explaining to them, listen, we're full time. This is our house, so
Yeah.
I'm sleeping in it tonight. So don't lollygag. Not that they do. Some of them do.
Well,
So at any rate,
yeah.
so there you have it. We just a short video. Well, I don't know how short this is going to be.
He
But
talks
there's a video. Yeah, well, I'm an Irishman. That's my excuse.
There you go.
I tell people that I can talk longer than you can listen, and even longer if I know something about the subject.
He kissed the Blarney Stone.
Kissed it, married it, made off with it, whatever. Barney Stone learned everything it knows from me.